Hey my friends, welcome back. This is Kieran Hogg, KieranGHogg.com, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing summer traffic. I have members area access. We're going to learn all there is about it. We're going to check out if it is the right product for you, what I like about it, what I think can be improved, and of course how my bonuses are going to help you with summer traffic, and my exclusive mega bonus, 225 bonuses for free.
Oh, gnarly!
So with that being said, let's stop wasting time. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, guys. So this is my bonus page. We're going to look at this in more detail, but first I just want to let you know that this is going live August 10th at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It is being launched by Dawood Islam and his partner Julia Fawcett Murray, and it's going live as I said, 9 o'clock. It is $13, but you're going to get a discount of $3, so it's only going to cost you $10. So with that being said, let's learn more about what summer traffic is. So guys, like I said, this is my bonus page here. Doesn't get any easier than this. Push one button and enjoy these free daily traffic forever. Doesn't matter what your experience is, your email or your tech skills required. I'm going to tell you after I take you to the members area what kind of links you should be putting in and what you should avoid. I've gone through the members area, I've taken some notes, so I'm just going to show you that in a minute, but then just tell you so you are more clearly aware of what you should do and how you can make the most out of summer traffic if you decide to purchase it. And if you do decide to purchase it, I've got all those bonuses, but I've also got a treat for you. If you wait till the end, I'll tell you what that is as well. All right, so guys, what is summer traffic all about? So you can send traffic to any URL of your choice. Okay, so you're gonna set it up in as quickly as 60 seconds. If you just want to use one URL and have it on all 5 of the rotators, just the single link, or you could space that out. You could have one link for each rotator so you're getting more exposure. So your link's placed on 5 different rotators, including our brand new spring traffic rotator from a brand new traffic source. So Dawood has a very large email list. You'll be getting thousands of people looking at your products if this is something that you want to do to get a lot of traffic. And the earlier you do this, the more exposure you're going to get to your links. I'll talk about that more in a moment. So this is the front end and the upsells. I'm going to talk about those in just a moment. Let's take you over to the members area. Here is a welcome from Dawood. He has created, this is his 65th product. So he really is one of the heavy hitters, if you will, in affiliate marketing and product releases. This is his partner for this launch, Julia Fawcett Murray. You guys can check that out. You can sign up to the Elite Tigers group YouTube channel and Julia's YouTube channel there. It's going to give you the overview of what you should expect from summer traffic. Now I've taken notes, so I don't have to show you all the videos here, you guys. Here's the main training. So introduction to the training, how to submit your URLs, what you should be doing, what you shouldn't be doing, access the other members areas, test your URLs. So guys, you can test your URLs. So you can access the site tester here, which is just this right here. You want to make sure that your link, your URL is actually going to the desired location. Otherwise, all of that will be for nothing. Okay. So if I just take you, submit your URLs, is going to be talking about how to do that. Access the other members areas. So you could join the spring traffic here, join the triple traffic here, join the traffic time 2.0 here, and join the winter traffic here, join total traffic here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different rotators with the summer traffic as well. The resources also, guys, he's got squeeze pages here. So let me just bring out some of the notes that I took about this. So what you're going to want to do, so basically it is your link will appear on a traffic rotator with 5 of Dawood's current and previous rotators. summer traffic, spring traffic, winter traffic, traffic time 2.0, and triple traffic rotator. You can just place one link on there if you have some kind of offer that you really want people to know, or you can spread out multiple links to possibly get sales from different kinds of products. And he will start the rotators about 4 hours after it goes live. So this means if you start early, you are going to get a lot more traffic to your site, okay? Because the more people that start adding their links, it's kind of like a CD shuffle, right? If you only have one CD in there, and if you're that CD, you're gonna be getting played constantly. But the more CDs you add in there, the more it's got to share. So if you do want to get a lot of traffic quickly, you want to be in early, you want to be buying this product within the first few hours, and of course putting your links in there. Other things I want to let you know about is this is not suitable for high-end ticket links because it's cold traffic. So unless you warm them up somehow, if you have some kind of relationship, you're probably not going to get any sales from a high ticket item. Also, you want to have not ideally to a Warrior Plus sales page. It won't work for that, or a JB Zoo sales page. It won't go directly to there. You will end up lowering your Warrior Plus JB Zoo score, and vendors will not be accepting your links for future launches. So it's going to hurt you, and vendors are not going to want to deal with you if you do that. What you want to do is you want to have a link where you are going to a squeeze page or a bridge page, ideally where you are offering some kind of like a lead magnet, and then after that you can go to, it can link to the Warrior page or the JB Zoo page, but not directly, okay? So Dawood clearly states this in summer traffic, so I'm just relaying that onto you, some do's and don'ts. So if you have it to a lower ticket item, the squeeze page, bridge page, etc., you will do much better. You will get some purchases from all the traffic that you will be getting. All right, guys, what else can I show you about it? So if you don't have any pages, squeeze pages or bridge pages, you can check this out here. So he's going to be offering you these. You can use any of these that you want. I'll just go through them for you. Like so. Oopsies. All right, so you got some different kinds of pages that you can play around with. Okay, and also he has the regular squeeze page, which I'll just show you extra squeeze pages here. So you can download the templates now, etc. So you've got some different kinds of templates and some squeeze pages, opt-in pages that you can use if you don't have access to ClickFunnels or if you don't create them in WordPress, etc. All right, so you got your conclusion, your bonuses. So your bonuses we're going to check out in the sales page in a moment. So it's Tiger Traffic, Ducky Dollars, Commission Blueprint, the Lockdown Formula, Dolphin Dividends. We'll check out the upgrades in my bonus page, see which ones are right for you. And Global Ambassador bonuses, so get a free product every month, and unadvertised bonuses from Eric Hammer Durable, James Kennedy bonus, and Mike from Maine bonus as well. So if I just click on, okay, so these are not ready to go yet because it is not gone live. It is still pre-launch, but you will get extra bonuses from. All of these guys are reputable names in affiliate marketing space. So let me take you now, you guys, to my bonuses. So the first one I'm going to offer is my mega bonus bundle, 225 bonuses for free, guys. Yes, lots and lots of value in here. Just as a way of saying thank you for using my link. Next one, guys, unrelated to affiliate marketing, I wanted to provide something where you could still make money in a different niche. This is going to show you how you can make $300 to $500 daily with crypto, regardless of what the price is doing. Doesn't matter if it is volatile or if it is just like a calm water. You can make money without having to invest, without having to spend any money, more importantly. All right. Next one, guys, my mentor John Armstrong has given me some bonuses as a way of saying thank you for using my link as well. You're going to get access to high ticket mastery, content curation hack. Gemini is a 3-in-1 email system where you can collect emails, you can make opt-in pages, and you can have an autoresponder, and you can also embed videos into your email as well. And the Fuego Breakout, guys, lots of good value in this as well. It is sold, I think, thousands and thousands of copies. It's very, very well known, and the training is very good in there. And the bonuses, the vendor bonuses, we will get into in just a moment. This is where you're going to find me, Kieran G. Hogg. This is me, KieranGHogg.com. Now, guys, to get all of my bonuses, what you'll want to do is go to the sales page, click on the orange button here, and it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. You're going to click on that blue button, and then it's going to take you here. You're going to get all of my bonuses plus the vendor bonuses. And if I just click on my mega bonus bundle, you're going to see 225 bonuses with everything under the sun. You're going to get organic traffic, you can get paid traffic, Facebook, how to crush it on Facebook, Facebook ads, Instagram influencers, how to build your following, PDFs, video tutorials, TikTok, Reddit, SEO, blogging, email marketing, even things like Teespring, even things like WordPress, how to do squeeze pages in WordPress, even real estate, and it just goes on and on and on. So just showing you that it really is all there for you, all right? Let's go to the sales page. All right, so all in one button, complete set and forget system, submit your URL once and get free traffic forever from multiple sources. Works in any niche, includes free traffic from 5 different traffic rotators, as I just mentioned. Totally newbie friendly, no list required, set up in seconds. So it's very, very simple to do. Dawood is doing very well with affiliate marketing and his product launches. Here they are here. Okay, summer traffic. So this system will simply set your sales and conversion on fire. With summer traffic, you get everything you need with all of these traffic system and rotators. As I said, summer traffic, spring, triple traffic, traffic time 2.0, winter traffic, and total traffic. And here they are, guys. So this is what summer traffic, here's spring traffic, winter traffic, triple traffic, total traffic, traffic time 2.0, 30-day money-back guarantees, some more financial proof. He has done very well in the past, 41,000 in 30 days, 22,000 in the last 30 days. And our bonuses, or his bonuses rather, bonus number 1 is Tiger Traffic. Our original traffic product still works great today. Ducky Dollars, transform your social media results with this great release. Commission Blueprint, this is from Glenn Kosky and his team. And Lockdown Formula, this is from John Armstrong and his team. Dolphin Dividends, learn how to make money with low content books. 30-day money back guarantee. Grand total, guys, here you go, of almost $2,000. Let's check out the front end and all the OTOs. So here is the funnel, guys. So like I said, with a $3 discount, you're going to get it for $10. OTO 1, 47, downsell 27. So that is, you're going to get 5 extra sales rotators. So you're going to have 5 links times 5 rotators. So that is 25 extra links that you could be making potentially a lot of money with all that extra traffic. Okay, so downsell of $27. Total traffic fix of $197.97. Downsell, a massive boost of extra traffic, 10 times free super solo ads to over 30,000 members across his 25 sites in the MMO niche. Free VIP upgrades worth over $1,500 at all 25 sites. Permanent banner ads at all 25 sites. Reseller rights, 47, downsell 27. You get 100% on the whole funnel. Done for you weekly campaigns, 97, downsell of 47. Get 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. Includes done for you bonus page with review, video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. But this requires commission. Gorilla, this is what I'm using to do this in my particular video right here. If you don't want to spend that $49 a month, click on my link down below, my free bonus page creator. I used to charge for it, now I'm just giving it away. You can check it out. The training is in there as well, and it is zero cost, all free, okay? Number 5 is the Elite Academy beta tester at 1,000 or 3 time payments of $497. So for a limited time, this exclusive offer will include beta access to Dawo's high ticket program, the Elite Academy, launching later this month. Be one of the very first to join. See the sales page for full details. All right, so of all the upsells, I think the number 1, the downsell of 27, is the most appealing. You can really get a whole crap load of traffic onto whatever links that you want to provide to Dawood in his rotators. Total traffic fix. Again, you could have, if you're interested in solo ads, then this is what you're going to want to do. Get the downsell of 97. You're going to have 30,000 people looking at your offers. Okay, so he's got a massive email list, and he's going to use it to getting their eyes on your links. Okay, and again, if you want to get into the beta, well, that is up to you. That is a little bit higher price, but if you want to get into the academy and learn how to do it, how they are doing it, how he is able to make that kind of money, that might be something that you want to consider as well. All right, my friends, so let's summarize what you're going to be getting with the summer traffic and all the rotators. Set and forget, get free daily traffic forever in multiple sources, works in any niche, includes free traffic from 5 different traffic rotators, very newbie friendly, and you're going to get a lot of exposure to your links. And I do want to urge you, if you do like this idea, you should buy it earlier than waiting. Like I said, the more people that buy it, the more links that are going to be shared by the audience, okay? So get yours in there early, get it in there so you get way more traffic, all right? And my mega bonus bundle, guys, don't forget that. Bite, how you can start to make money with crypto regardless of what the price is doing, no money invested. And all of my bonuses from my mentor, Jono. Access, high ticket, content curation, Gemini, Fuego, and of course, all of Dawood and Marie's Fawcett's bonuses as well. All right, guys, this concludes my review on summer traffic. If you did get some value, please hit that like button, leave a comment if you do have any questions. And I did say, if you stay till the end and if you decide to get this through my link, I've got another treat for you. You will be getting a thank you email from me and saying, if you whitelist my email, you will get another bonus from me. So you'll get even more value. Only takes a few seconds. I've got the video demo tutorial showing you how to whitelist an email. It's very, very simple. Doesn't matter if it's Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo. I've made videos for all 3 of those depending on what you use. All right, my friends, I want to thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. Hope you got some value from this, and best of luck on your journey. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.